Hi, welcome to the Positively Papercraft blog hop. This month we have a quick less than 5-minute tutorial, and our theme was summer, and I've used some current and ex and retiring Stampin' Up to make this cute card, which I thought was very summery. Not only has it got sort of tropical sort of leaves and things on it and bright colours and the sunny yellow and the bright pink, but it also says sunshine is on its way. So I just thought it was really cute. It's on a whisper white base, so let's see how I made it. So I began with a 5x5 card base, which was 10 inch, scored on the long side at 5 and burnished, and then I took a piece of So Saffron, which is a 4 7/8 by 4 7/8, and I'm just gonna fasten this on. And I'm just going to stick that on, and that measures 4 3/4 by 4 3/4. Pop that on there. I think the yellow and the green are just nice summery colours, sunshine colours. And then what I did was I used the Sunshine Wishes dies, and I cut out Sunshine out of Melon Mambo, and I used the Sunshine Sayings and stamped Is on Its Way, and then I just fussy cut around that. I stuck that onto Whisper White and I just fussy cut around that, and I'm going to apply that with dimensionals. And what I did was I got this flower, which I also cut from the same, using the same dies. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dot and then I'm going to just pop that down on there, because I thought the bright pink was also very pretty, very summery. I'm just grabbing my Winker Stella. So thank you so much for joining me for that. Now please do go down and check in the description for all the links to all the other channels that are hopping on this lovely day. They're all sunshine themed projects, and I'm sure they'd all love a little bit of love. Go and like and comment and subscribe, whatever you want to do. And thank you for coming to my channel today, whether you're one of my regulars or you've just come here as part of the channel hop. You're most welcome, and all the links to Positively Papercraft are below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.